Bordeaux, a city renowned for its stunning architecture and world-class wines, offers a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be explored. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the top 12 best things to do in Bordeaux, France. From picturesque vineyards to vibrant cultural hotspots, each destination showcases the unique charm and rich history of this enchanting city. Whether you're a wine enthusiast, a history buff, or simply looking to soak in the local atmosphere, Bordeaux has something for everyone. Join us as we uncover the must-see attractions and hidden gems that make Bordeaux a truly unforgettable destination. Number 12, Musée des Beaux-Arts. Nestled in the heart of Bordeaux, the Musée des Beaux-Arts is a hidden gem that showcases an impressive collection of European art from the 14th to the 20th centuries. With works by renowned artists like Rubens and Delacroix, this museum offers a serene atmosphere for art lovers. Its elegant architecture and tranquil gardens provide a perfect backdrop for contemplation. While it ranks at number 12, it serves as a delightful introduction to the city's artistic heritage. Compared to higher-ranked attractions, it may not boast the grandeur of the Cite du Vin, but its intimate setting and rich collection make it a must-visit for those seeking cultural enrichment. Number 11, Marche des Capucins. The Marche des Capucins is Bordeaux's vibrant food market, brimming with local flavors and culinary delights. This bustling hub features an array of fresh produce, artisanal cheeses, and mouth-watering pastries, making it a paradise for food enthusiasts. The lively atmosphere, filled with the sounds of vendors and the aroma of delicious street food, invites visitors to indulge in authentic local cuisine. Ranking at number 11, it offers a more casual experience compared to the refined dining options found in higher-ranked attractions. While it may not have the historical significance of the Place de la Bourse, its charm lies in the everyday life of Bordeaux, providing a true taste of the city's culture. Number 10, Cap Sciences. Cap Sciences is an interactive science museum that captivates visitors of all ages with its engaging exhibits and hands-on activities. Located along the Garonne River, this modern facility focuses on science, technology, and the environment, making learning fun and accessible. With rotating exhibitions that explore everything from space to biology, Cap Sciences encourages curiosity and discovery. Ranking at number 10, it offers a unique educational experience compared to the more traditional attractions higher on the list. While it may lack the historical allure of the Palais Rohan, its innovative approach to science makes it a fantastic stop for families and inquisitive minds eager to explore the wonders of the universe. Number 9, Darwin Ecosystem. Darwin Ecosystem is a vibrant hub of creativity and sustainability, located in a repurposed military barracks along the Garonne River. This innovative space brings together local artisans, startups, and eco-friendly businesses, fostering a community dedicated to sustainable living. Visitors can explore unique shops, enjoy organic eateries, and participate in workshops that promote environmental awareness. Ranking at number 9, it offers a refreshing contrast to the more traditional attractions higher on the list. While it may not have the historical significance of the Bordeaux Cathedral, its focus on sustainability and community engagement makes it a must-visit for those interested in the future of urban living and eco-conscious practices. Number 8, Palais Rohan. Palais Rohan, the stunning city hall of Bordeaux, is a masterpiece of neoclassical architecture that commands attention with its grand facade and intricate details. This historic building, dating back to the 18th century, serves as the administrative heart of the city and is surrounded by beautiful gardens. Visitors can admire its opulent interiors, including the impressive Salle des Illustres, adorned with magnificent paintings and sculptures. Ranking at number 8, it offers a glimpse into Bordeaux's rich history and governance, contrasting with the more interactive experiences found in higher-ranked attractions like Cap Sciences. While it may not be as hands-on, its architectural beauty and historical significance make it a captivating stop for any visitor. Number 7, Bordeaux Cathedral, Saint-André Cathedral. Bordeaux Cathedral, also known as Saint-André Cathedral, is a stunning example of Gothic architecture that dates back to the 11th century. Its soaring spires and intricate stained glass windows create a breathtaking atmosphere, inviting visitors to explore its sacred spaces. The cathedral is not only a place of worship, but also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, rich in history and artistry. Ranking at number 7, it offers a spiritual and architectural experience that contrasts with the more modern attractions like Darwin Ecosystem. While it may lack the interactive elements of higher-ranked sites, its historical significance and stunning beauty make it an essential stop for anyone visiting Bordeaux. Number 6, Les Quais de Bordeaux, Le Quai de Bordeaux is a picturesque waterfront promenade that offers stunning views of the Garonne River and the city's iconic architecture. Lined with charming cafes, vibrant markets, and lush green spaces, this lively area is perfect for leisurely strolls or relaxing picnics. The beautifully landscaped pathways invite visitors to soak in the atmosphere, especially during sunset when the city lights reflect off the water. Ranking at number 6, it provides a serene escape compared to the more historical attractions like Bordeaux Cathedral. While it may not have the grandeur of higher-ranked sites, its blend of natural beauty and urban life makes it a delightful destination for both locals and tourists. Number 5, Jardin Public. Jardin Public is a serene oasis in the heart of Bordeaux, offering a perfect blend of natural beauty and recreational space. This beautifully landscaped park features winding paths, lush lawns, and vibrant flower beds, making it an ideal spot for picnics, leisurely walks, or simply unwinding amidst nature. The park also houses a charming playground, a small lake, and the Bordeaux Natural History Museum, adding to its appeal. Ranking at number 5, it provides a peaceful retreat compared to the bustling Le Quai de Bordeaux. While it may lack the waterfront views of higher-ranked attractions, its tranquil ambiance and lush greenery make it a beloved escape for both locals and visitors alike. Number 4, Pont de Pierre. Pont de Pierre is an iconic stone bridge that elegantly spans the Garonne River, connecting the historic heart of Bordeaux with the vibrant Bastide district. Completed in the early 19th century, this architectural marvel features 17 arches and is adorned with beautiful lanterns that illuminate the bridge at night, creating a romantic atmosphere. Ranking at number 4, it offers stunning panoramic views of the city and the river, making it a favorite spot for photographers and romantics alike. While it may not have the lush greenery of Jardin Public, its historical significance and breathtaking vistas make it a must-visit landmark that captures the essence of Bordeaux's charm. Number 3, Bordeaux's Historic Center. Bordeaux's Historic Center is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that transports visitors back in time with its stunning architecture and rich history. Cobblestone streets wind through elegant squares, showcasing magnificent buildings like the Place de la Bourse and the Grand Theatre. The area is alive with charming cafes, boutique shops, and vibrant street art, creating a lively atmosphere that invites exploration. Ranking at number 3, it offers a cultural experience that contrasts with the more serene Jardin Public. While it may lack the tranquility of green spaces, its historical significance and vibrant energy make it an essential destination for anyone wanting to immerse themselves in the heart of Bordeaux. Number 2, La Cite du Vin. La Cite du Vin is a stunning architectural marvel dedicated to the world of wine, offering an immersive experience that celebrates Bordeaux's rich viticultural heritage. This interactive museum features engaging exhibits, tastings, and workshops that educate visitors about the history, culture, and science of winemaking. The panoramic tasting room on the top floor provides breathtaking views of the city and the Garonne River, enhancing the experience. Ranking at number 2, it offers a unique blend of education and enjoyment that contrasts with the historical allure of Bordeaux's Historic Center. While the center showcases the city's past, La Cite du Vin invites you to savor its future, making it a must-visit for wine lovers and curious travelers alike. Number 1, Place de la Bourse. Place de la Bourse is the crown jewel of Bordeaux, renowned for its stunning classical architecture and the breathtaking Miroir d'Eau, the world's largest reflecting pool. This iconic square, designed in the 18th century, showcases the grandeur of the city with its symmetrical layout and beautifully detailed facades. The reflections in the water create a mesmerizing visual effect, especially at sunset, making it a favorite spot for photographers and romantics alike. Ranking at number 1, it embodies the essence of Bordeaux's charm and elegance, standing in contrast to the more modern La Cite du Vin. While the latter celebrates wine culture, Place de la Bourse captures the city's historical beauty, making it an unmissable highlight for every visitor. In this video, we explored the top 12 best things to do in Bordeaux, France, from the enchanting Place de la Bourse at number 1 to the charming Musée des Beaux-Arts at number 12.